Okay, that one's a fail. I got some spit in my throat. It's like 5:03 in the morning, and I'm belching. Hopefully, I don't wake my parents up. Well, not my parents. They're both out of town, so I hope my PCA doesn't wake. I hope my PCA doesn't wake up. Yeah. So yeah, I hope my PCA doesn't wake up. So yeah. Yeah. So I'm just hoping my PCA basically doesn't wake up on me. So yeah. My eyebrows are getting bushy. Huh. Kind of look ridiculous. I just try to pluck my eyebrows. So yeah. It's all about burping. That was a good one. Bye, guys.